What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing stupendous. We're gonna go over Polygon. Currently, we're sitting at $1.45. We're down about 9% on the day. We have come down to the levels of support that we dropped in yesterday's video. We're sitting at a market cap of 9.40 billion. 24-hour volume is 1.07 billion. Guys, if you're new to Crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app and grab one of their incredible Visa cards for awesome cashback in crypto, as well as awesome free Spotify, Netflix, and travel incentives. So we're here on Matic on the 1 hour chart. So I noticed that we had an ascending triangle, which is a bullish pattern, but it can break to the downside, and it did. And that pattern was met perfectly here. If we do a little measurement of our body here, you can bring it down. You can see it's very perfectly met here. We actually came all the way down to $1.41, which was a level of support that we had dropped in yesterday's video. We just melted through $1.55. We saw a bit of consolidation around $1.51, and we came all the way down to $1.41. Now, guys, I'm just going to remove this so it's more visible. We are having a bullish divergence as we are with Bitcoin, and I had showed one with ADA as well. Look here, guys. The price is lowering and the RSI is rising, which means that the bears are losing steam, and we should see a little bit of relief bounce. So we could find resistance right around $1.47, this area here, and then we have $1.51. Which I think will act as a major level of resistance. See the resistance in this area. Sorry, guys, the support in this area, resistance right here. So that would be a major level if we're going to see that continuation and get back above the EMAs here. So here's Matic on the 4 hour chart. So it would be very, very crucial for us to get back above $1.54, because currently we are losing the golden ratio, $1.54 here, and we are back underneath the EMAs. So if we continue to hit them as resistance, there is that possibility of coming down here to $1.29. So I'm going to open this up just so I can pull our Fibonacci here. So what we're going to do, you're going to grab your fib. You're going to go from your swing low, the Fibonacci, up to your swing high. And you can see here, I'm going to remove this just because it's more visible. We don't have the rainbows interfering with each other. So you can see we came down and we found support at $1.41, which is the golden ratio. If we do lose that, guys, there's a high likelihood of us coming back down to where we started at $1.26. And possibility is also the 1.272 extension at $1.17. That is quite far away. But if we were to lose the golden ratio, do target $1.26 as your next level of support here. However, if we go to Matic on the daily, I'm just going to remove all this. And I'm going to show you guys the daily chart, because look what's happening, guys. We're very, very close to finding support along the 20 EMA. And of course, there is a high likelihood of us finding support just as we did here, as I predicted on the 20 EMA, and seeing that continuation. It's healthy, guys, for us to go through these corrections and to find support along the 20 EMA. But if we do lose the 20 EMA, and you're like, Jax, I'm unsubscribing. You told me we're going to bounce. We didn't bounce. Do target $1.29 and find support here on the 55. We're still looking really, really healthy for Matic. There was a bit of a larger pattern, but I think it's quite unlikely. We'll open it here up on the 4 hour chart. All right, guys. So a larger pattern could be that we create a right shoulder right here, and we create a head and shoulders. Here would be your left shoulder. Here would be your head. So if we come up and we create a right shoulder right here, then we could create a head and shoulders, and your neckline would be somewhere maybe like right along here, kind of. It would be kind of right up here. I think it's an unlikely scenario, guys, just in my opinion. So if we broke this neckline here. I mean, it's an absolutely massive, massive fatty correction. Fatty. Come on, Jax. What are you, 12? It's a massive correction. It would bring you down to about $1.08. It's a possibility, guys, but I think it's a little bit more unlikely right now. I wouldn't consider that a scenario until that right shoulder were to form, and if we saw some more bearish signals here. So let's pop over to Ethereum. Where's Ethereum on the 1 hour? Okay, we're here on the 1 hour chart. So we also had this symmetrical triangle for Ethereum as well. And you can see that target has been met perfectly here. And we came down to 3087. See the support in this area here? We did break 3128, the support I dropped in yesterday's video. Now some people may say that this is a bear pennant here, but it's a huge correction, guys. If we measure our flagpole, it would basically bring you down to basically 3,000 for Ethereum. So do keep an eye on that as well. I think it's a little bit more unlikely. I think we're just kind of going through a bit of healthy correction here, but there is a large correction that we're kind of anticipating in the market. So we have to keep an eye on this pattern as well, our double top. But we can see here, what does Ethereum come down to? The 20 EMA. It's currently holding support of the 20 EMA. So if you see us consolidate and then you see a bit of continuation to the upside, we break this high, we're good to go, guys, because we honestly have just started to come back down to the 20 EMA. So it's very healthy. But do keep an eye on this double top pattern. If you were to lose the support here of about let me drop it in. Why did that not work? How absolutely humiliating. 3006, then that's when you're going to see that larger correction. But as of right now, we'll come back down to the 20 EMA. We're looking for healthy for continuation as long as we hold this support here. As you can see here, we have come back down to a healthy range on the RSI. If we look at if we look at Ethereum on the weekly, we are still quite a bit overextended. So a large correction could come, but as long as we hold support here of the 20 EMA, we're looking healthy for continuation. So let's end the video with Matic here. So we are seeing that relief. I had to refilm this part, so maybe the price is a bit different here. We are having that bit of relief bounce here, so do keep an eye on these levels of resistance right at about $1.47. Why did that not drop in? How absolutely humiliating. Let's drop it in right here, right at $1.47 and $1.51. If we get rejected, we don't see that volume. See, there's still low volume, guys. So if we just come up, we get rejected. We get rejected by the 20 EMA. That's when you see that continuation down to these levels of support, $1.38, and then we have $1.29. So the bulls would have to step up, break through all these levels of resistance, and that would give me a stronger sign that we're going to see that continuation to come up and break our high at $1.69 for Matic. So that's it for Matic. I hope it brought you some value. Thank you guys so much for all the beautiful comments, the support. We're almost at 30K, so shout out to you. Smash that like button, sign up to Bybit, follow me on social, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, guys. Peace. Much love.